Have you ever wondered what happens when the charm of a farmhouse kitchen collides with the allure of darkness? Today, we're diving deep into the realm of the moody farmhouse kitchen, an enigmatic space that marries rustic simplicity with a touch of mystery. Picture this weathered wood and vintage utensils casting elongated shadows on the walls, creating an ambience that whispers tales of culinary enchantment. This isn't just a kitchen, it's an experience, an exploration of textures and tones that go beyond the conventional. As you step into this dark and moody kitchen aesthetic, you will find a tapestry of rich, deep hues seamlessly blending with the comforting warmth of a traditional farmhouse. The play of light against dark surfaces creates a symphony of contrasts, adding layers to the culinary journey. Antique copper pots hang elegantly, telling stories of generations past, while the soft, ambient lighting dances across the surfaces, revealing a careful creation of elements that evoke both nostalgia and intrigue. Every detail in this space has a purpose, from the distressed finishes on the cabinets to the carefully chosen color palette. It's a delicate dance between shadow and light, creating an atmosphere that not only stimulates creativity but also elevates the act of cooking into an art form. Join me on this comprehensive guide as we unravel the secrets behind the moody farmhouse kitchen, a sanctuary for those who appreciate the beauty in the unconventional. Whether you're an aspiring chef, a home cook, or simply someone seeking inspiration for a kitchen transformation, this exploration promises to redefine the way you perceive the heart of the home. So, buckle up for a journey through textures, tones, and tales as we navigate the intriguing. As we conclude this journey through the moody farmhouse kitchen, may these insights into the artistry, dark, and moody aesthetics inspire your own culinary adventures. Whether you're planning a kitchen makeover or simply seeking to infuse a touch of enchantment into your cooking space, remember that every element holds the potential to transform a kitchen into a haven of creativity. With that said, thanks for joining me on this exploration of shadows, textures, and culinary tales. Until next time, may your kitchens continue to be a canvas for extraordinary experiences.